Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get some really cool bleach dyed jeans like these guys, and I'm going to show you the process on how I did both of these pairs of jeans and the stencils I used and products and the rundown of everything. So let's get right into the looks. For the first look, I used our honeycomb stencil template to create my pattern on my denim, and I used the Clorox gel bleach pen to create my design. And I just taped down my stencil, filled out the design, and then repeat it on one whole leg. Let it sit for about 2 hours, rinsed off the gel, and then washed and dried, and then they were all good to go. And for the second look, I used the carbon beads tile stencil, and this is just a really much more intricate, beautiful stencil with some swirly patterns, and I just thought it would look beautiful on one leg of the jeans, and I just did the same exact process as the first pair of jeans, used the same gel bleach pen. They came out looking so cool. I loved this pattern on them. I hope you guys love both of these pairs of jeans. If you guys would want to try this, you can find all different patterns on our website at Stencil Me Pretty to customize your jeans however you want, and then you guys can try this process out yourself. Let me know how it goes, and I hope you enjoyed.